Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and manage the 3CX phone system step by step. We'll cover how to install and configure 3CX, add extensions, set up SIP trunks, manage inbound and outbound calls, configure voicemail, create call queues, and use the web client or mobile app. I'll also show you how to manage users, monitor call activity, and improve communication efficiency using VoIP. Whether you're a small business owner, IT administrator, or managing a growing team, this guide will help you set up a professional phone system and handle VoIP calls easily with 3CX. Let's get started. I'm talking about 3CX, a modern VoIP-based phone system designed for businesses of all sizes. Now we all know that in today's fast-paced world, communication is everything. Whether you're managing a small local team, running a remote business, or trying to unify customer support across locations, having a reliable phone system is no longer optional. It's critical. Traditional landline setups are outdated, often expensive, and not at all scalable. That's where cloud-based, software-driven solutions like 3CX really shine. And if you've never set up one, I'll take you through the basics, step by step, so we can get up and running quickly. This video is designed specifically for beginners, so no matter your tech background, you'll be able to follow along. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what 3CX is, how it works, and how to start managing your business calls more efficiently. So whether you want to enable your team to make calls from their laptops or smartphones, or you're looking for a more professional phone system for handling customer inquiries, 3CX is a solution worth exploring, and we're going to show you why. So before we get started on setting up your dashboard or account, first let's start with a clear overview of what 3CX actually is. At its core, 3CX is a software-based PBX, or private branch exchange. That's just a fancy way of saying it's a phone system that uses the internet to manage calls instead of traditional phone lines. But what makes 3CX really stand out is how it takes this idea and supercharges it with modern technology, offering a full suite of tools to handle your company's communication in one place. You can think of 3CX as a virtual phone system that lives either in the cloud or on your own server. Once it's set up, it gives your team the ability to make and receive business calls from anywhere on their computers, smartphones, or even through traditional desk phones if you choose. But this isn't just about making calls. 3CX also supports video conferencing, team messaging, live chat on your website, SMS, social media messaging, and even integrations with CRMs and Microsoft 365. So instead of juggling 5 different tools to stay in touch with your customers and team, 3CX brings it all together in one centralized hub. So it's the perfect for remote teams, hybrid offices, customer support departments, sales reps on the go. And what's really cool is that the user interface is designed to be clean and easy to understand. You don't need to be a tech wizard or hire a full-time IT manager to get started with 3CX. The platform gives you a web-based dashboard where you can manage everything: users, call rules, voicemail, call queues, business hours, and much more, all with just a few clicks. So now simply head over to 3cx.com, which is their official website, and from here you can try it for free by signing up for an account using your Google or your email. So simply sign up for an account first. Now, after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your admin console right here. So as you can see, there isn't much of information in your admin console. It's very simple to use. First, you'll be redirected to your dashboard where you can see your system information, the version, your IPv4 address, event logs right here. You will see and your net reports and all this. Also your company name. So basically, this is your admin settings. You can set users. From here, you can add your team members. So simply click on add users, add the information right here. A 3CX stock, call forwarding, and all of the settings right here. You can add and also set your voice and chat settings. As you can see, this is my 3CX live chat. This is the information, the department, call routing, outbound rules. You can create or add one. You can set your office hours, your call handling, reports, and of course, the event log. So basically, all of the features are right here on the left-hand side. So first is this icon, which is the native web app. So you can install it to your browser. You can use it in tandem with iOS and Android and desk phone. Next, let's go to the team. So as you can see, I don't have any team members yet. That's why this is the only team member right here, which is me. So to add one, you can click on this plus icon to create a new chat. As you can see, decide the name, extension number, email. You can add a new call, new contact, or meet. Next is chat. So from here, you will see all of your chats. So basically, there isn't any data right here because I haven't set up yet. So you can start a chat and group chat right here, and you'll see your inbox right here on the left-hand side, and the chat details here in the center. Next is meet. As you can see, you can create a new conference, whether it's an audio, video, webinar. Just schedule it now or later, subject, notes to participants, and create your meeting. Next is calls. From here, you'll see your call history. Next is panel. Just see your panel right here, your contacts. So to add new contacts, just click on the plus icon and add your informations right here. Next is voicemail. So if you receive voicemails, you will see it all right here. And of course, for your settings, general settings, your call forwarding settings, you can set it right here. 3CX talk, your chat settings, audio and video settings, view greetings, integrations, all this stuff. And of course, the most important thing is your dialer. So it's here in the top right. You can see, so simply enter the name or the number, and you will now be able to call that number virtually in this website or with your 3CX account. You also have this Android app or a QR code. Just scan your phone to install the app. And of course, just click on your initials right here at the top right to set your status. So basically, that's all of the features of 3CX. It's really quite simple. You basically have a virtual phone on your computer. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide on the 3CX phone system. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to configure your VoIP system, manage extensions, and handle business calls more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials on communication platforms, business software, and IT management tools. If you'd like a deeper walkthrough of advanced features like call routing, IVR setup, reporting, or integrations, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.